Example problem 2 reads, alcohol is a popular drink. Given that the refractive index of ethanol is 1.361, how fast would light move through the drink if the bartender placed a flashing ice cube in the drink? So again, the equation that we're going to use for this problem is N equals C divided by V, where N is the refractive index for the medium that's specified by the problem. So the refractive index for ethanol is 1.361 with no units. C, the speed of light, is always going to be 3.0 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. And we're going to be looking for V in units of meters per second for ethanol. So plugging in what we have here, 1.361 equals 3.0 times 10 to the 8 meters per second divided by x. And when we rearrange this the way that we did in the previous problem, it turns into x equals 3.0 times 10 to the 8 meters per second divided by 1.361. When you put that in your calculators, you will get that V equals 2.20 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 2.